Do you think that with the present documents and the position that the Election Commission has taken, Aadhaar or a ration card is something that an ordinary person can go present to the Election Commission and say, look, these are my documents? And is there clarity on the grounds on which the Election Commission can reject these documents actually?
Firstly, I think Supreme Court could have or should have stayed it in the first place. But the Supreme Court, if you recall in the first hearing, had also said to include all possible documents to let people take advantage of being a citizen of this country. And in spite of that order in the vacation, they have filed an affidavit saying that no, we will not relax whatever we have said so far. And even the hearing in Supreme Court yesterday, I think Justice Suryakant is not wanting to, undermine the authority of the Election Commission because it's an independent body, and to stop them doing from some exercise will mean as if it was doing something completely illegal. But if you see his oral observation that the intent should be to include than to exclude, and that is, I think, quite a sufficient hint for the Election Commission to continue this exercise with that mandate, rather than just looking for loopholes in the documentation of every person, especially a common man, and say that you don't fulfill the requirement of the Election Commission and accordingly you are no more a voter in Bihar. So this is how they are trying to nudge the Election Commission the right way, rather than straight away saying that what you're doing is not correct. Because the moment they say that what you're doing is not correct, in a very big way undermines the authority of the Election Commission to do this exercise at all. And in my view, the exercise can be done, but of course not in the manner in which it is being done.
In the history of independent India, have we had an exercise of this nature?
To my knowledge, Election Commission has never done it. If at all, if they would have done it at the time when we got independence, I would not. I don't know. But I don't think even at that point of time, this kind of exercise was done to decide the voters at that point of time. So if it was not done then, to do it now is definitely something which cannot be justified.